morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And I hope you all have done your previous work. That is, we have done your chapter 9 using list and tables in HTML5, and you had completed your work in notebooks. But I didn't get the PDF from many students. I have just get the PDF from 3 and 4 students who has done the work. It's my request to all of you, please send me the PDF. Otherwise, you will not get your internal assessment marks. And it's sure I will give you 0 if you will not send me the PDF of your notebook work. It's okay. Now we are moving to the next chapter. That is the last chapter of your syllabus. That today we are going to start the lesson 6, that is introducing the Python. In this chapter, I will tell you that what is the Python and how we can use the Python. Firstly, for introducing the Python concepts, firstly I will tell you Python is a language. What is the language? Language is a set of the instructions which is followed, and then you will get some output. In general life, in your book it has taken example of the pasta making. Suppose if you want to make a pasta, आप घर में सब पास्ता बनाते हैं, whatever you are making something, सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में एक प्रोसेस होता है कि किस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करके मैं इस पास्ता को रेडी कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. तो उस पास्ता को रेडी करने के लिए सबसे पहले आप क्या कलेक्ट करते हैं? इंग्रेडिएंट्स. फिर इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको बनाने की प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हैं, एंड एट लास्ट यू गेट योर पास्ता रेडी ऑन योर ऑन अ प्लेट. So this is just like a Python. Python is a language. There is a set of instructions which is followed to get the output. But the set of instructions, when it will be followed, when we give some material to your instructions, that some input to your instruction, you can say that some raw material to your instruction, then you will get some output. For example, you are having a calculator and you give the instructions that you give the input, that is 3 plus 4. ये आपने इनपुट प्रोवाइड किया, आपने दो नंबर्स दिए उसको 3 and 4, फिर आपने उसको बताया कि 3 plus 4 करना है. तो what it will do? Firstly, it will take first input 3, then it will use the plus sign that it will interpret is it that what is the meaning of the plus. Plus is meaning that is it has to add two numbers. Then it will take the input of the second number, that is 4. Then it will do the processing 3 plus 4. It will give you the answer, that is 7. So 7 is your output, 3 and 4 is your input, and when it will plus 3 plus 4, when it will do this processing, that is known as the set of instruction that will be followed to get your output, that is the 7. So this is the example of the calculator कि आपने 3 plus 4 3 और 4 input दिया, फिर उसने देखा क्या दिया आपने, बीच में प्लस साइन दिया, then it will interpret it what it has to do. It has to do 3 plus 4, then it will do the 3 plus 4. After doing the 3 plus 4, it will give you the output, that is the 7. So same Python language या any language that works just like this कि हम उसके अंदर क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं, कुछ इनपुट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, फिर उस पर प्रोसेसिंग होती है. आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग यू गेट योर आउटपुट, यू गेट योर रिजल्ट, दैट इज योर गोल, दैट इज द आउटपुट. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग सम पास्ता, देन सेट ऑफ द इंस्ट्रक्शन, और उस सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट इज द प्रोसेस दैट यू विल बी फॉलो टू मेक योर पास्ता. Then you give some ingredients, that is ingredients is known as the inputs, and to make your tomato pasta, that is your output. So this is the instructions that is followed to make a pasta. Similarly, in a language like Python is a language, in this when you want some output, then you will give some input, after that will be processed, and after that you will get the output. This is the language. Okay, now we are talking about the Python. What is Python? Python is a high level language. What do you mean by high level language? I already told you there are the three types of language. First is the low level language, second is the middle level language, and the third is the high level language. High level language is just like a English level language. That is very easy for you to use, because in this we are using the word just as we use the words in the English. So Python is known as the high level language. When it was developed, Python was developed in 1991, and who developed it, who invented it, that is Guido and Rossum. That is Python is a high language developed in 1991 by the Guido and Rossum. So this is the Python. There are some features of the Python. There are so many languages. Why we use the Python? Because Python is used to solve the general purpose problems. जो आपकी real life में छोटी छोटी problems हैं, जैसे कि sometimes you want to do some mathematical calculations, then you can use the Python language. And small general purpose language, it is very easy to use. These are some features of the Python, that is, it is easy to learn. When I will tell you what is Python and how you can use it, then it will be very easy for you to learn the steps that by so it is known as the easy to learn language. Next is the platform independent. What do you mean by the platform independent? What is the platform independent means? कि it can run on any platform. Platform means कि any type of operating system you have installed on your PC, then you can download your Python on that very easily. For example, कि Windows 7, Windows 10 and any office you are using, मतलब which type of operating system you are using in your PC, then you can download the Python. ये किसी भी operating system पे run कर सकती है. So that is known as the platform independent. Next feature, it is as a simple syntax. Syntax means rules. There are some method to write something in that language. There are many language and हर language का अपना अपना syntax है कि आप उसको कैसे use कर सकते हैं. How you can give the input, how you can get the output, how you can follow the set of instructions. तो जो इसके rules हैं to give the input to get the output, that is very simple. When you will do it, then it will very easy for you to learn it. Now next is the case sensitive. What do you mean? Now what do you mean by the case sensitive? Case sensitive, that is the case sensitive language like this. For example, if there is one word that is print, print, and there is also print. Here I am using the P small and here I am using the P capital. In your Python language, if you want to write something as it is, then you will use the word print and print with small p. But if you use the word print with capital P, then its meaning is different. तो इसका केस सेंसिटिव है कि जो वर्ड इसमें दिया हुआ है आपको उसको एज इट इज स्मॉल लेटर का वर्ड है तो स्मॉल लेटर में यूज करना है, कैपिटल लेटर का वर्ड है तो कैपिटल लेटर में यूज करना है. ये नहीं कि आप स्मॉल या कैपिटल कुछ भी लिख दोगे, दे बोथ फंक्शंस विल वर्क सेम. No, it is case sensitive language. It depends on the which type of the letters you are using in your program. Next, it is free to use. It is free to use means you can easily download it from the internet and you can use it. It's not a pay. You need not to pay for it. That is the free to use. So these are some features. These are some features of the Python, that is easy to learn, platform independent, simple syntax, case sensitive and free to use. Next is from where you can download it. If you want to download it in your PC, then you have to use this website www.python.org, then / and download. When you will run this on your address bar, then you will see that how you can free downloading of it and then you can download it free. इसके भी अलग अलग वर्जन है. In your book there is the version of Python is 3.7.0 and you have to download this. आप यहाँ से इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो अपने पीसी के अंदर. Then when you will click on the free download, then it will be downloaded and after that you have to execute it. जब ये डाउनलोड हो जाएगी तो आप उसके बाद आपको इसकी .exe फाइल चलानी पड़ेगी. that you have to execute it. When you will execute it, it will ask for you to run. Yes, you have to click on this run and one by one it will start to run all the files in your pieces and after that when their icon will come, that is the finish. You will click on this. After that your Python will be completely installed on your PC. So this is that what is Python, what are the features of the Python, from where you can download it, and after downloading how you can run it and how you can run all the process of downloading as. After downloading this, it will look like So when you will download it, that after downloading, its window will look like this, that window will look like this. In this, it is showing at the upper part, that is known as the title bar. In title bar, it is showing the title of your Python, because we have downloaded Python 3.7.0, so it is showing it as a title bar. After that, it will show you the menu bar. In the menu bar, it will show file, edit, shell, debug, and many other tabs also. In file tab, you can use how to open it, how to close it, how to save your program. In the edit, you can cut, copy and paste. And shell, I will tell you what is the shell in the Python. I will tell you later. And after that, it will show this window. First is the title bar. Next is the menu bar, and after it will show this is known as the script area. What is the script area? In which you can type your program. Area in which you can type your scripts, you can type your program. In the type program, firstly it is showing it's a Python 3.7, type copyright, just lines. It will show you in all the Python script area. And after that, it will show this 3 signs, that is known as the Python command prompt. Python command prompts, that here you can type your commands. Here you can type the commands for your program at this prompt, and this 3 signs is known as the Python command prompt. And after this script area, completely it is known as the script area. After that, it will show the status bar, that will show the status of your window, that we are now at this point. If you are, then we are on the line 3 and the column number 4. It will show you the status of your area. So these are the components of the Python window. So now how we will work on this window? We will work on this command prompt. Firstly, you have to know about this. When you download the Python, then you can work on it on the 2 mode. First mode is the interactive mode, and the second mode in the script mode. Today I will tell you what is the interactive mode and how we can use it. When you are typing your command on this command prompt, then we are working on the interactive mode. And when we are writing a complete program and we are saving that program as a one file, मतलब बहुत सारी commands हैं, उसको एक file के तरह हम सेव कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि HTML के अंदर हम नोटपैड में बहुत सारी कमांड लिखते थे और उसको एज अ फाइल सेव करते थे. देन दैट मोड इन द पाइथन इज नोन एज द स्क्रिप्ट मोड. बट कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे इस पर हम सिर्फ एक ही इंस्ट्रक्शन रन कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू आर रनिंग योर इंस्ट्रक्शन वन बाय वन ऑन दिस पाइथन कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, at that time we are working in the interactive mode. And how you will start your Python? When you have downloaded it, then you will click on the start button. After start button, you will click on the all program. After all program, you will click on Python 3.7.0. It will show this icon if you have downloaded it. After that, you want to work on the interactive mode, then you will go on the IDLE. Then you have to click on the IDLE. When you will go on the IDLE, then it will show these 3 prompts, and on these 3 prompts we can type our command. If you are type your command, इस 3 prompt पे मैंने command type की welcome to Python, and I have given it in a small quotes. As I type this in a small quote, it will give you, and after that you press the enter button. After pressing the enter, it will show the same line. It will give you the output of the same line what you have written it in this small code. It is showing you welcome to Python. After this, in the command prompt, I am typing A in this single quotes. Then again it is giving you the answer A. Third, I am using this command prompt and I have used 10 less than 5. I am showing you 5 is greater than 10. Then it is giving you the answer, that is the false. It is not true. Then again I have given the command prompt. आपको enter press करना है यहाँ पर. And after again press enter, it will show you command prompt. After command prompt, I have typed another command, then 10 plus 20 and then enter. Then it is showing you the 30. Then it is showing you the 30. तो दिस इज द इंटरेक्टिव मोड कि हर प्रॉम्प्ट पे मैं एक एक कमांड को रन कर रही हूँ, नॉट कॉम्बिनेशन और नॉट अ सेट ऑफ द इंस्ट्रक्शन, ओनली वन इंस्ट्रक्शन आई एम गिविंग एंड एट द टाइम आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर ऑफ दैट वन इंस्ट्रक्शन. So that is known as the interactive mode. After this, I am using it as a calculator also. I can use it in this command prompt. 45 divided by 6. It is showing you answer that is 7.5. And the next command prompt, I am this 65 and double mode. I am using 65 mode 8. It is dividing, but it will not show you the decimal part. It is giving you the whole part. That is answer is 8. Whenever you will divide 67 by 8, its answer is 8 point something. It will not when you are using this, that is known as the mode. जब हम mode use करते हैं तो ये इसका decimal part show नहीं करता, सिर्फ इसका आगे वाला main whole part show करता है. That answer is the 8. So it is showing answer is the 8. And at command prompt you can run one command also, that is known as the print. If you want to print this same line as it is, you want to print the line as it is, then you will use the print command. Print, then you will give the bracket start, after it give the double quotes, and whatever you want to write, you write it, the double quotes, and after that your bracket is closed, then you press enter, then it is showing the same word, that is the answer is the hello word. Next print command I am using, I have given the single quote. जो भी मैं single quote में दूंगी वो as it is आएगा, that is 5 into 5 equal to, ये तो as it is लिखा हुआ आएगा, उसके बाद ये process करेगा 5 multiply में 5, and then I press the enter, it is showing me the answer. ये तो as it is आ गया 5 into 5 equal to यहाँ तक, and after it's processed it, that 5 multiply 5, that is answer is the 25. So this is the way that how you can run your command in the interactive mode. So today we have done this interactive mode, and this all are complete today about the Python. No, not a complete part, that interactive mode we have completed. So next time we will tell you what is the script mode, and I will also tell you how you can run this command on the computer after downloading the Python. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.